Yo, what up, guys? It's your man, Mr. Solution. So, following our analysis yesterday on gold, we've seen some appreciable moves so far, and we saw gold get to over 2022 $21. We saw gold get as high as $2,021. That was earlier this morning, and so far we've seen it having a sharp correction now, currently leaning at a support. One thing I've come to discover about gold analysis is that gold respects trend line. So whatever, despite your charts pattern and all that, gold to a large extent respects trend line. So you need, if you're a very good trend line trader, to an extent you'll be profitable with gold. So currently we've seen that gold is resting, leaning on the support. And then, we have a news coming by 1:30 p.m. today. That's the CPI. So currently, market is not really making much of a great move, because I know it's anticipating, in anticipation of the news, market is not really making much of a big move. So yesterday we saw gold get to as high as $2,021. Okay, but unfortunately, it couldn't close above. Okay, went above this resistance, but it couldn't stay there. Instead, it sharply got a correction. And right now, gold is leaning at this very support. So the question is, what else are we expecting from the fact that gold respects trend line? So we should be expecting some move upwards here. But then the problem now is that we don't know where the market is tilting to because of the incoming CPI news. So right now, if I was to take a trade now, even though right now I'm flat, I'm not doing anything. But then if I was to take a trade, I would rather it's either I put a sell stop, okay, you see that I put a sell stop, and then put my stop loss a bit above this swing high, a bit above, put my stop loss a bit above 2011, maybe put it around 2012. That's if I'm to take a sell stop, or I could maybe use a buy stop. So if I'm using a buy stop, I could put it somewhere around above, a little bit above $2012, then put my stop loss below this swing low of $2007. So that's pretty much what I would do. But like I said, I'm actually conservative on my capital. So I'm just currently watching what the market does. CPI comes out in less than 1 hour. So there's really nothing wrong with staying flat, because in the event that gold drops down, so we should be in the event that the news comes out and it's bearish for gold, we should be expecting gold to come back to this resistance turn to this very line where it broke out from. We should be expecting gold to fall down to as low as 1989 or even lower. It's pretty much possible, or even we could even see it get back to this yellow line, which used to serve as a support. Okay, we could see it get to this very low. That's if the news doesn't favor, if the news is bearish for it. But then if it's positive, we could see gold start going up, and we could see record. Let me denote it with an arrow. Okay, we could see gold record a high as over $2,040. It's pretty much possible for us to see that. That's if the news is positive for gold. But then CPI is something that nobody can, we can't just decide until the news comes out. We can't just take a guess until the news comes out. So right now I'm flat. I'm waiting for the news to come out. Whatever the news says, that's what I'll be trading. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'll talk to you soon.